Cranking out house number 3. House number 4. Let's get to work.
There's some deer running around. Just wild deer.
All right, that was a long day. There's the hotel right there. We parked our trucks right here. That's where we're gonna stay for the night, and we'll be back tomorrow. Looks like this is where the breakfast is gonna be. Looks like a nice place. All right, we're doing house number 6. 2 stories, or a story and a half here, 1 story in the front. Getting ready to hang this gutter. Check this out. This is an 032 heavy gauge steel. Oh, nope. It's a wooden gutter. Wow. A wood gutter. A wood that I would have a gutter. There is the snow guard installed right here. Left this gap open so the debris don't collect in here. But that's how it's gonna look. 24 gauge, snow stop. Out in the high desert, they do 6K, 5K. This particular home, they're installing snow guards, professional crews. So you can see right there, the snow guards are installed. That's gonna protect the gutters from collapsing when a sheet of ice or something comes down. This particular house is getting 6K. Check this out. Doubling up on brackets. Extra heavy duty. We're gonna get this one installed. Fun installs. We'll have the crew come out and get you set. Construction has high-tech machinery. Professional crew. Any job. 6-inch, 5-inch, snow guards, whatever you need. Some sort of line walking right there. And the line is just sitting there. Interesting. All right, so lots of brackets, lots of screws, snow guard. So a couple of things this does: prevents snow, ice damaging the gutters. And if somebody's outside, it could be really dangerous when the ice slides. So this will solve many problems. Snow guards installed, brackets, sealed the corners, water test. Looks really nice. So all that snow, ice, if it ever slides, that will stop it from hitting the gutters, or if somebody's walking up there. Very nice. All right, almost done with this one. This house, actually the guy that lives here, he was our cook yesterday. His boss owns a restaurant. And yeah, we'll probably be doing his roof and gutters. He can check out this job right here if he needs for his employee. And look at their quality. Got this house done. Installed large commercial downspout, 3x4, long kick out. We got our big tree, big roof. It's gonna be helpful to have a nice bigger downspout. So this one is done. Snow guard installed on all the roofs. You can see right there. This front downspout tucks into the lower gutter and then tucks into the porch, I guess. Kicks out right there and continues on down this way. Nice, beautiful connected corners. A kick out right there. Another downspout into the lower patio. No gutter here. Not much gutters here. Or water, because ended up doing the gutter all the way across. Added a little strap right there. Help keep the gutter from tilting. Another gutter here. And we did add that little corner of gutter just to get all this water away from their gate and out into the backyard, away from the main house, because we don't want water near the house. The job is done.